Namaskar, welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In the headlines today, 50th National Safety Week 2021 award function organized at SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant. Srujani Mela cum award function held at Public Relations Department of SAIL RSP. And more than 300 villagers benefit from the multidisciplinary health camp organized by Rourkela Steel Plant in Nuagaon block. And now the news in detail. In a function organized at the HRDC on 27th March 2021, employees of SAIL Rourkela Steel Plant RSP were presented with the Best Safety Performer Award for the financial year 2020-21. Mr. Deepak Chattaraj, CEO RSP, was the chief guest on the occasion. Present on the dais were Mr. Bibhu Prasad, Deputy Director, Factories and Boilers, Government of Orissa, and Mr. M.K. Mishra, Assistant Director, Factories and Boilers, Government of Orissa, Mr. Pankaj Kumar, ED Works, and Mr. Arun Pradhan, CGM, in charge Safety Fire Plate Mill. Also present on the occasion were many Chief General Managers, HODs, and Departmental Safety Officers and executives from various departments. Addressing the gathering, Mr. Chattaraj commended the efforts of Safety Engineering Department in consolidating and strengthening the safety initiatives. He exhorted all to look into the various aspects of production of safe seal and strengthening of the safety net in the organization. Highlighting the impact of an accident on a family, an organization and the society, Mr. Chattaraj emphasized on the importance of adherence to safe practices on a day-to-day basis and the observance of Safety Day. He also congratulated the award winners. Drawing everyone's attention to the common causes of accidents in an industry, Mr. Bibhu Prasad emphasized upon the specific requirement of process safety in a steel industry. He said that safety is integral to every aspect of life and workplace. He urged everyone to replace the conventional result-oriented approach with the process-oriented approach so as to produce safe steel. Speaking on the occasion, Mr. M.K. Mishra said that health and safety of men and machines are of highest importance for any industrial sector. He urged everyone to adhere to the SOPs and SMPs to achieve the objective of zero accident. In his address, Mr. Pankaj Kumar stressed on road safety and said that alertness and awareness are keys to eliminate accidents. The program began with the rendition of Safety Award-winning song by Mr. A.R. Dora, MOMT, RMHP. Thereafter, Safety Pledge was administered to all in Oriya, Hindi and English. The dignitaries presented prizes to the winners of the various competitions such as quiz, debate and slogan competition for both regular and contractual employees, safety song for regular employees and safety skits. At the outset, Mr. Arun Kumar Pradhan delivered the welcome address. Mr. Asim Behera, CGM Fire and Safety, proposed a formal vote of thanks. Mr. Neelakant Sethi, Assistant Manager Safety, coordinated the function. A Srujani Mela cum award function was held for the employees of Public Relations Department on 26th March 2021 at the Personal Conference Hall. Mr. Dhirendra Mishra, GMPR and COC presided over the function and presented the Srujani Awards and certificates to the employees. Ms. Ashana Satpathy, DGM PR, Mr. B.K. Behera, AGM IED, other officers, awardees and employees were also present on the occasion. In his address, Mr. Mishra urged the collective to unleash their creative potential and give meaningful suggestions for the improvement of the performance of the organization. In all, 44 suggestions were awarded in the function. Out of these, 20 suggestions have already been implemented. Cash awards to the tune of Rs 5,200 were presented to the awardees. Several tangible and intangible benefits have been accrued from the implemented suggestions. More than 40 new suggestions were received in the Srujani Mela held on the occasion. The dignitaries presented token gifts to the employees for their suggestions. Mr. B.K. Behera briefed about the status of Srujani scheme at RSP in general and that of the department in specific. At the outset, Mr. C.K. Sharma, Manager PR, welcomed the gathering. Mr. Soumya Ranjan Biswal, Deputy Manager PR, proposed a formal vote of thanks. Mr. Sashank S. Patnaik, Assistant Manager, coordinated the function. A multidisciplinary health camp was organized by Rockla Steel Plant RSP at Ankurpali Gram Panchayat office in Nuagaon block on 24th March 2021. The camp was organized by the Corporate Social Responsibility CSR department in association with the Medical and Health Services M&HS department of RSP. Ms. Munmun Mitra, DGM CSR and other officers of CSR department visited the camp and interacted with the villagers. Doctors of RSP, namely Dr. Poonam Ekka, Pediatric, Dr. Somali Kongari, Medicine, Dr. Pratibha Sarangi, ONG, Dr. Anindita Debta, Ophthalmology, Dr. J.R. Sahu, Surgery, and Dr. Jitendra Kumar, ENT, examined the patients. Mr. Lingaraj Pradhan, CPSK Dispensary, Mr. Mihir Mohanty, CPSK Dispensary, Ms. Menaka Burman, Senior Hospital Technician, Ophthalmology, and Mr. D.K. Dash, CSR Coordinator, assisted the doctor and helped in medicine distribution and other supporting activities. More than 300 patients were examined in the camp and provided with free medicines and consultation. Besides, 60 patients were identified for further treatment at Ispat General Hospital under various CSR schemes, namely Project Sunaina for free eye surgery under Project Sushruti for medical intervention of people with hearing ailments, Project Charak for provision of free surgical interventions, Project Surabhi for treatment of gynecological disorders, Project Sneha for leprosy patients, Project Akshay for treatment of TB patients, and Project Swavalamban for children with cleft lip and palate disorder, claw foot, hearing ailment and vision impairment. It is worth mentioning here that the medical camps being organized by RSP in periphery villages not only reach out to the people living in remote villages but also extend costly surgical interventions for free at IGH to the identified people suffering from grave ailments. That's all for today's news bulletin. Namaskar.